If you can see, guys,
Oh, it smells so good.
Coriander make his own juice, and we're gonna add coconut juice inside of
It
this.
just smells so good. Welcome back, guys. Thanks for checking in with me, EJ. I'm so happy you're here today. I'm checking in, not checking out. Before we get started, I just want to say thank you to everybody who has subscribed. I really, really appreciate it. If you haven't, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe right now. No, it's fine. I'm waiting. Just hit that button right there. Alright, you done it. Fantastic. Moving on. Today's video is going to be about me and my dad making curry chicken and rice and spin. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Okay. Compose yourself, EJ. Composure. Okay, so follow me, guys. Okay, let me introduce you to my dad. Say hi to the camera, Dad.
Hi guys, this is EJ Dad, and I'm going to make curry chicken for my beautiful princess.
Okay, so follow me. Daddy said that this is the first step. So what are we going to be doing here, Daddy?
Okay, first step, I get the chicken, put it in some water with vinegar, wash it nicely, clean it up, take all the skin off a majority of it. Then I chopped it, dice it up nicely. If you can see, I have two bowls. So one is draining and this one is empty. So we're gonna add it in this bowl, the bigger bowl, and then we season it after, because we want to drain off all of the water off the chicken, and then we start season. So EJ, go ahead. Add. That I help you as well.
It feels so weird. It feels cold.
Yeah, you just add them inside. See, that's the water is drained off, and then we're gonna season it.
A few moments later.
Okay, so that's all the chicken and Daddy. What's next?
Okay guys, this is what I'm next. So I'm gonna use a little bit of all-purpose, which is Maggi, if you can see, and a little bit of chicken, all-purpose as well, same way, which is Maggi, same way, and a little bit of ground pimento. Normally I use the seeds, but now I don't have no seeds, so I just get a little bit ground. This one is diced, and my Betapac curry. This is what I use. Betapac is the best brand curry ever in life. Okay, guys. So that's how you do it. A little of that.
Ready, can I help?
A little of this. Perfect.
It looks like the sun.
A little bit of pimento. Finish. Curry. You don't put too much because you're gonna burn the curry in the pot. And then we rub. Come here, Jay, we rub. And we rub it in.
It smells so good. It's like I'm massaging a pig.
And you want everything to get the seasoning. It could taste so lovely. So you rub it in properly.
Okay, so Daddy, what is the next step?
Oh, the next step, guys, is I'm gonna burn some curry in my oil. You know what I mean? So the oil is in the pot, well hot, and I'm gonna throw a little bit in the oil. Let it go and burn. If you can see, everybody cook different, so I have to burn my curry first. So I just put a little bit on the chicken. This is what you do, let it go and burn for approximately 3 to 5 minutes. And then we're gonna add the chicken that's seasoned up.
That looks interesting.
So you have to let it burn first, properly, burn properly. The next step is now I'm gonna add my chicken in the oil with the curry that burns.
Daddy, can I help?
No, it's too dangerous, EJ, it's too dangerous. So we had it piece by piece. Okay guys, that's it, the chicken all in. So I'm gonna stir it a little bit. You can see the curry is burned. You can see it getting a dark color because it's frying with the curry that's burned on a high temperature of the gas. And then I stir it a little bit, just a little bit. And then I'm gonna put the lid on and let it sweat, make its own juice.
Okay, so what's the next step, Daddy?
Okay guys, normally I grate the coconut to get the juice, but now I don't have any coconut, so I'm using the powder. So I'm making a coconut powder to put in my curry. Quickly, you can see warm water. You don't use cold water because you don't want to turn on the temperature. And you mix it.
Daddy, can I help, mate?
Mix it out. Mix it out properly. You don't have no bumps in it. If you can see, guys,
oh, it smells so good.
curry already make its own juice, and we're gonna add coconut juice inside of
It
this.
just smells so good.
Everybody's different. You have people don't cook with coconut juice, but I love it in my curry. I love it to use it in my curry, give it a nice taste. So let that go on. So if you can see, that was on the fire for 25 minutes. Once I pour in the coconut milk, I already cut up my scallion, and I have a little bit of thyme, if you can see, garlic, onion, but I don't normally have my thyme, so I get a little bit the dry thyme because I couldn't get it at the shop. So, and then I'm gonna add this in my pot. If you can see my curries, I'm gonna add it in the pot. Let that go and simmer. Yeah, you guys can see the curry is so pretty, so lovely. And normally I use pepper, but I can't put no pepper in it now because the kids. So after I take out for the kids, then I add a pepper for the adults. So that's how I cook my curry.
This is my favorite part, guys. Making the spinners. So what do we do here, Daddy?
Okay, first we add a little bit of flour. If you can see the flour. And then we're gonna put a little bit of water, to knead it, let it strong. And then we knead it.
Daddy, can I help?
No, this is you can't manage this part. This part is rough.
Okay.
When you grow up, you're gonna learn. I'm gonna teach you how to make spinners. So we knead it in the flour.
It kind of looks like Play-Doh a bit.
Yes, at this stage now we're gonna add in the spinners into the pot. If you can see, my curry is nice, done. And so,
Daddy, can I help?
yeah, this is how you do it, EJ. You roll it like this, hold it, pick up a piece, you roll it, you drop it.
Okay.
So you try that. So that's your favorite part. You roll it, and you drop it in the pot. Yeah, just drop it. Okay, take your time. Okay guys, you see, once I add my spinners, I'm gonna add my carrot and Irish.
What's Irish, Daddy?
Oh, in Jamaica we call it Irish, but it's potato. So I'm gonna add my carrot and Irish, if you can see, and you can see the spinners. And let this settle for like 7 minutes. 7 minutes. And our curry with spinners is the best curry ever. With our scallion, our thyme, our garlic, our coconut juice. If you can see, guys, it's lovely, tasting so lovely.
Lovely.
And we're gonna have this with some white rice. Alright people, the potland. You
What does
see the
that mean, Daddy?
as in the food done cook. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Yeah, so this is my spicy chicken curry with the spinners, and you can see the carrot, the Irish. So I took out for EJ and the Lacia inside of here. So this is not no spice. So we're gonna share out, and EJ is gonna eat some food.
Okay, guys, it's finished. My curry chicken and rice with spinners. Where have you been all my life? This is so good. Hold on, guys. I need a bit of privacy while I'm eating. My belly is so full. That food is so good, so good, so good, so good. Right guys, that's the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed me and my dad making curry chicken and rice together. Comment down below how you make curry chicken and rice. If you never had curry chicken and rice in your life, how about you try my dad's recipe? That will be in the description. Please make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell and like. I'm checking out, not checking in. I'll be back with sass. Yes, queen, yeah.